Hello guys, hope you've been doing well. I can vow that after you guys see this video, it will make you throw your basic speaker in the trash can. Why? You would say, because they are basically trash and bad compared to studio monitors. In this video, I will introduce the best under $200 studio monitors. First, we will start with something that I don't even have to review since the name speaks for itself. Yes, the JBL R1280DBs PMK2. I have them listed as the most versatile since they pretty much can be placed everywhere and do everything. If you are looking for studio monitors that are cheap and good, I think you will have quite the trouble competing with the JBL R1280DBs PMK2 since they offer great value for the price you get them. Even though they are built in at a budget price, they still look good, measuring 14 to 12.2 to 13.93 inches and weighing 10.12 pounds. I won't be worried about incidental damage from the bumps since a great solid cabinet houses all the internal components with security. It is coated with a smooth shiny plastic finish. It is flashy, but it doesn't scream attention like a lot of studio monitors do, which is a good thing, I would say. The 70 years tradition of JBL has incorporated some features that they have developed for their higher end studio monitors into the cheaper models. One of them is the double port, which is how they managed to get deep bass that I bet all of us will enjoy. It can get really loud to the point it reaches 108 decibels, which is louder enough for a small studio and decent for a medium one. And it can easily maintain great mids and highs. All I can say to wrap it up regarding the JBL, they have no business to sound this good for the price they come with. We all know that good studio monitors don't come cheap, but the PreSonus Eris E4.5 will prove us wrong this time, proving a great package for the bucks. I listed them as the best all-rounders. The PreSonus Eris E4.5 are great home entry studio monitors that will leave you shocked for the performance they offer at the cheap price. They are two-way active speakers with 4.5 speakers and currently competing back-to-back with the JBL R1280DBs PMK2. The first thing you will notice about the Eris is how light they are. Weighing only 10.12 pounds, you won't have a problem transporting them around. And measuring 14 to 12.2 to 13.93 inches. I know some of you will get triggered and tell me, oh, but the lightweight means they are built cheap. No, you are wrong, since they are solid as a rock in terms of quality, and the lightweight was meant for them to travel rather painlessly. The matte finish will blend pretty much with all studio environments, and it doesn't attract fingerprints at all. It has some gentle blue colors to help soften the dark exterior and give those speakers a lively look. And there's the illuminated PreSonus logo that blends in quite nicely. The sound quality is just as great. In a few words, it is well balanced and it is ideal for audio mixing and mastering. That's why all you aspiring DJs on a budget should not miss on Eris. The highs were quite defined and clear, mids were well rounded and quite precise. For example, the vocals and instruments playback was as good as its competitors who come at a much higher price. The only drawback I would say would be the low end. It lacked some fullness and warmth, but still it was really decent and most of us will be happy with it. All I can say is that PreSonus really did hit a home run with those studio monitors. Definitely something you should not miss out on. Coming in next on the list, we have something from the multinational company from Japan, the Pioneer DJ Studio DM40. I listed them as the best studio monitors for DJs. Finally, the waiting moment for our fellow DJs came. The compact DM40 was designed with DJs on their mind since it provides quality music and mixing, and all these things to its front bass reflex speaker that delivers rich and deep bass, which also is capable of 3D stereo sound. No doubt that you will love it while doing your DJ work. Design-wise, the DM40 is quite sleek and attractive. It comes in a matte black color and it's quite durable and compact, which makes it perfectly for smaller studio spaces. The monitors are really light and can be put even on shelves. Weighing 12.40 pounds and measuring 15.6 to 10.6 to 13.6 inches, the DM40 offers high volume, which makes it great for connecting it to a DJ controller and practicing at home. But it is not loud enough to fill a whole party, but hey, no one uses studio monitors for a party anyway. Another killer feature that makes this an attractive choice for DJs is the full low ends that come from such a compact monitor. The first thing that came in mind was the warm and pleasant lower range. The mids and highs were also clear and vibrant, and the distortion was very minimal. The logic behind Pioneer was to gift us budget home studio speakers so the DJs can enjoy practicing at home. And it does it without breaking the banks, and at the same time you have some quality speakers. Next on the list, I have something that will look stunning in your studio, but at the same time, it won't break your bank, the Mackie CR3-X. Listed this one as the best for cosmetics. Coming with a compact 3-inch woofer, CR3-X promises high-quality sound at a great price, making it a great choice for a small studio or for you guys who are not in need of a really loud volume. With some friendly and nice features, it promises to please both beginners and professionals. Since we were talking about looks, the sleek design of CR3-X complements any desk, featuring a brushed metal panel and a distinct green outline that stands out for good. For myself, I had the chance to test the 3-inch size, but it comes in a vast range of sizes from 3-inch to 8-inch. They all look the same, besides which is obvious the size. I'd still go for the 3-inch version since it appears cozier. At first sight, the Mackie won't appear like a budget version, but more like I'm kind of a big deal since it has that premium look. Sound-wise, thanks to its really good woofers and tweeters that are powered by high headroom amplifiers, the sound comes clear and punchy. It offers good clarity at all volume levels, and it is quite loud for the size, I'm not going to lie. Highs come in very detailed, the mids and lows were crisp and clear. Nevertheless, I think you will be hard-pressed to find something that looks this good and also sounds good for this price. Finishing the list with something that will prove to us that you don't have to pay a premium price for quality sound, the Edifier R1280DBs. Got them listed as the best for the price. You probably already heard about the R1280DBs predecessor, the Edifier R1280. And how capable they were of providing good sound quality for a bargain price. The R1280DBs are trying to follow that route and do pretty much the same, but even better. They are a newer model, and obviously they cost more than the predecessors, but still they are economical with a sub $150 price. Another highlight of the Edifiers is their design, rocking a classy and minimalist look. I can guarantee that those speakers will fit anywhere, either it is in your home or studio. The side panels are made of wood grain with a packing finish, while the top, back, and front are covered in gray plastic, which I think is something they did to keep the price down. But still, it doesn't ruin the elegant look in any way. Measuring 17-inch to 11.8-inch to 7.2-inch, the buttons are placed on the right-hand side of the speaker and recessed to avoid sticking out and being noticeable. The speakers really do sound great. I was quite impressed myself for the price. Gotta commend Edifier for this. It provides deep bass, the highs and mids were really well balanced. Moreover, they offer a very flat response for pure sound output. I don't doubt that you will love the crystal clear output sound. Another killer feature is the loud sound. You won't have a problem filling a large room with quality sound, but the sound might get a bit distorted on the high levels. To finish the list, all I can say regarding the Edifier is that is a great for people who want a quality speaker in the most affordable range, accompanied by great sound and looks. And with that being said, we came to the bottom of this video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video to be helpful, and if you have any questions, don't hesitate to drop a comment down below, and I will get back to you guys as soon as I can. But until then, stay safe and take care. Peace out.